What does it mean when one party repudiates a contract? Well, stick around and I'll tell you. Hi everyone, Simon here from the Contract Company. Contracts, it's what we do all day, every day, and sometimes overnight. Lucky us. So when one party repudiates a contract, that is their way of saying to the innocent party or the good guy that they, the bad guy, no longer wish to be bound by the terms of the contract. So let's use an example. Let's say you have a contract to maintain the grounds at a building, university, premises, doesn't matter. And your rights under that contract are exclusive, i.e. you are the only person allowed to maintain the grounds at that premises for, say, a period of 2 years. If the party who owns the premises allows someone else to maintain the grounds, then that to me would be a clear indication that they are no longer willing to be bound by the terms of the contract. So what happens then? Well, the good guy, i.e. the innocent party, is able to do one of two things. They can either continue to perform under the contract or they can elect to terminate. So the actual act of repudiation by the bad guy, in this case by allowing a third party to come on site and maintain the grounds, contrary to the exclusivity provision in the contract with the good guy, means that the bad guy has given a clear indication to the good guy that they no longer want to be bound by the terms of the contract. So the good guy can then do two things: either continue to perform and then potentially sue under the contract, or they can terminate the contract. Now this is where it gets tricky. If the good guy terminates the contract based on what they believe is the repudiatory conduct of the bad guy, and the good guy gets it wrong, then the good guy can actually be sued for breach. So this is one of those areas of law where, I hate to say it, you probably want to get legal advice, because you stuff this up and you could be in for some serious legal bills. Anyway, a fairly complex area of law and a probably longer answer than I needed to give, but there you go. Any questions or queries, please give us a call. Simon at thecontractcompany.com.au, 1800 355 455. Hope that helps.